starts with agriculture, then gets to extraction and science, and like biochemistry, and then it's food science to ensure that there's a consistency of the product. And basically we build this whole place to recreate the sun. But the sun at a very, very, very consistent level at the equator.
Currently, our demand is low, and we're still building up. Those in there are only 30 days old. For most hydroponic systems, you need to treat the water. This is the first city I've ever been in that we didn't have to do that.
Yeah. Macon literally has unbelievable water.
All right, well, let's go look at some flowers. So we're a week from harvest. We'll be harvesting these next week. So as you see, all this here has been stripped.
Leaves take up a ton of energy. And what we're trying to do is we are trying to send all of the energy into the flower.
This curling back and this burning of the leaves, that's the nutrients pulling out of those leaves, feeding that flower.
This is as big and bulky and beautiful as the plants can ultimately be.
So this product is what we call our biomass. This comes out of the cultivation process where it's dried for 7 to 10 days, gets removed from the branch, and so all you end up with is fine leaf material and mostly flower. And what happens next is our techs take that and put it into what we call socks. The material gets ground up so that it has more surface area for us to work with for the extraction process. Everything after this point is all sterile and clean. Those socks then come right over here to our C1D1 booth where our extraction takes place. Those socks go in on one end of this, and through the extraction process of different pressures and chemicals, we get pure THC at the end point. So that's the extraction booth. To our formulations area, these are our large vacuum ovens, and the product in here is some beautifully decarved oil. This is pretty much, at this point, very close to pure THC oil. So this is what we end up using for all of our formulations.
And there's different recipes at different temperatures, what you pull out based on what goal and desire.
This is where we're actually going to make the products for the patients. So I'll take those cannabinoids that we're separating over there, and then I will restack them back into products to make them give the desired effect we're after. Like you said, either sleep, pain, just want to have a good day, all kinds of different things. There's 157 different cannabinoids inside that plant, and they all do something. Great medicine, non-addictive, and at the end of the day, we're making people's lives better.